11 is asking us to determine which of these coordinates match, I guess, this angle measure in radians. So let's start out by just drawing the coordinate plane, and we know that the measure is 3/4 pi radians. Now, do you remember that pi radians is this distance, right? Okay, so 3/4 pi is going to be 3/4 of the way, right? Okay, so if halfway is 90, then that means this is going to be 45 degrees. So we could say that our reference triangle is going to be 45 degrees, right? Okay, now you know, based on what you remember about the reference triangle, is that if it's a 45, 45, 90, which is what we have going on right here, this is the square root of 2, this is -1, and this is 1. Well, technically it's 1 if we're just talking about any reference triangle, but here's -1, here is +1, and here's square root of 2 because of its location. All right, so what I'm going to recommend is that we kind of use the process of elimination to figure out what's going on here. Now, the idea here, too, is that if we've got this, so it's this coordinate that we're looking for, right? So we know that if it's -1, that's the x value, right? So this x value is -1 and the y value is positive. So let's just go and eliminate the ones that don't have a positive y value. Well, that automatically eliminates this one because, see, this is negative, so it can't be D. And this one's negative as well, so it can't be B. So that leaves us with A or C. Now, here's what the deal is. A and C, well, do you see that here we have a square root of 2, right? All right, this square root of 3 is not going to show up anywhere in the 45, 45, 90 triangle. That shows up in the 30, 60, 90 triangle. So this would go with 30, 60, 90 triangle. So without even actually thinking through all the aspects of this, we can say with confidence that it's going to be A. And what's happened here is that the denominator has been rationalized, okay? So that's why we have square root of 2 in the numerator here and here, because you can't have the this location in the denominator. So we didn't even have to actually solve. We could just kind of use a process of elimination. I hope that makes sense for all of you.